Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. You may have heard that Willie Obiano, has lost the motion against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in 4 billion naira fraud trial. Now, I'm not bothered about the numbers or about the trial, but there are some fundamental things about this matter that really I found very troubling. But first of all, let us look at the issue at stake. Justice Enyang Ekwo of the Federal High Court Abuja has dismissed the preliminary objection filed by former governor of Anambra State, Willie Obiano, against the 4 billion naira security votes related fraud charges brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The court said that the ex-governor cannot stop the EFCC from implementing the law that founded it as an anti-corruption agency, adding that security votes emanate from Nigeria's Federation account. Now, Willie Obiano, the former governor of Anambra State, is being charged by the EFCC over his management of security vote in Anambra State when he was governor. He went to court. He challenged that allegation by saying that EFCC has no right to investigate him on that, on how he managed the security votes. But the court said security votes does not belong to Anambra State directly like that. That security vote emanated from Federation account. So EFCC has a right to investigate how it is managed or how it was managed. But that is not my major issue of concern. My major issue of concern was when I read what the lawyer of Obiano said. The lawyer for Obiano, Onyechi Ikpeazu, senior advocate of Nigeria, told the court that trying Obiano on the 4 billion naira security vote related fraud charges brought against him by the EFCC is being challenged by the Anambra State government. That Anambra State government filed an appeal challenging the power of EFCC to investigate how Obiano managed the security vote. So government of Anambra State filed an appeal literally on behalf of Obiano, saying that EFCC has no right to investigate how Obiano managed the security vote. In other words, they are telling EFCC it is Anambra money that he managed. It is not federal government money. It's not your money. But despite that appeal, the judge insisted that EFCC has a right to investigate how that security vote was managed, and he based that on the fact that the money for the security vote emanated from Federation account. And he also noted that even the appeal court has ruled in favor of EFCC, that the defendant had a case to answer, that EFCC had a right to investigate that the way Obiano managed the resources or managed the security vote. What I found very concerning about this matter is that why should the government of Anambra State file an appeal challenging the right of EFCC to investigate somebody who managed their money? They ought to be able to be open to it. When Obiano presented himself to be governor, he should be ready. To be governor is not just for enjoyment. It is to be called back, if need be, to answer some questions. Why should Anambra State government file an appeal or try to say that they are not interested in that security vote allegation to be investigated? It shows that our leaders don't really care about the interests of the people. Anybody who has been able to manage the public resources should be ready to be held accountable. And the government of Anambra State, I think they got it wrong by literally trying to shield Obiano, because that, what do you call that? To say that they should not, going to appeal to challenge the right of EFCC to investigate how the security vote was spent. What's the essence of that? So you don't want the public money that was used to be accountable, so that the resources of the people will be managed transparently. It is important that those who lead, and in the Southeast where they're supposed to show example, because Southeast supposed to show example of clean leadership in this country, so that the rest of the country can learn from them. But it is disappointing when you see Southeast leaders, governments, behaving like governments all over the country. Why should the Anambra State government even try to interfere in EFCC investigating the governor on this issue of security vote? He ought to have sat back, allow EFCC to do their job. If Obiano had no problem, he didn't commit anything, he will be exonerated by the court. And if he did anything wrong, he will bear the consequences. And if there is any return he had to make to the state, he will have to make it. If his hands are clean, the whole world will see it. It is not for you to go and show solidarity over an issue that is of public concern, an issue that is of public interest. You are literally siding with one person against the whole state. That's not leadership. It's really a very disappointing thing that Anambra State government did. And to think that this happened under Professor Soludo is really surprising. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.